What's good, you guys? Connor here and welcome back to another video. Last video was me explaining why I disappeared from YouTube, and another cookup video, just a casual cookup video, so make sure to go check out those videos. But today I want to talk about the UniSynth. I was really excited to make this video because I love to test out new plugins, and it's been a minute since I touched a new plugin. So today we're testing out UniSynth. The last couple of 1 to 2 years I've just been using Analog Lab, so it's a fresh new plugin for me personally, you know. So we're going to test it out and see if we can cook up something fire. So basically UniSynth it creates the patches, like the sounds for you, if that makes sense, in like 32 different genres with like different type of sounds you can create. For example, right here, 808 bass, chord, lead, pad, and plug. And then we got all these genres right here, which is super fire in my opinion. But we're gonna go ahead with some R&B chords, maybe our tempo at like 100, and then just generate a sound right here for us. That sounds insane. All right, let's see what else we can get. Wow, that's fire. Note, we're right now in standard mode, and you can also go to advanced mode. So this is perfect for if you're either a beginner or an advanced producer. It doesn't matter, because you have two versions, I'd say, of this plugin. The standard one, which you have like all your oscillators right here, your filters right here, and then your effects. And then we can also adjust the LFO right here, you see. Everything right here you can just tweak however you like it. And then in the advanced one, you have all these different options. What I like about this advanced tab right here is you can individually like just adjust everything in detail, you know. So this is actually pretty insane for like if you're like an actual sound designer, you know. What's cool as well is you can actually generate another, you know, wavetable for this one, so it will sound different. Now it has a whole different tone. If you don't like that, you can just go back, you know, undo that. You can adjust these as well. You have like analog, you have like wavetable, you have sampler, and then you also have a resonator. So right here, what you can do with the sampler is actually drag in your own sounds, or you can use the sounds from UniSynth. For example, this piano right here. So let's say I like this preset and we want to adjust this. So it's super user friendly, you know, it's easy to use. You can also randomize the effects. It gives like a whole different tone to the sound. Right here in the advanced tab, I'm going to randomize this oscillator right here. You can also mess around with the effects right here. Like, it's just crazy how deep you can go into this plugin, you know. You don't even need to like open another plugin in my opinion, because it has everything right here. Switch out the effects, sounds different, you know. Let's say we like this preset, we can save that. Saved. And I also already have like a bunch like saved right here. But if, for example, you're selling kits or selling expansion packs or anything, you can just export it, which is insane, you know. You can export those sounds you're making. Just this a little bit. Not too much. All right, let's try to come up with some chords. So I'm starting on B. Simple. Right now I'm going to switch to hip hop and look for a bass. Wow, I like this. Let's try another one. Also turn on the legato right here. Wow. This right here is the overall filter of this plugin. How much of a cutoff we want. Hear the difference? We want like a counter melody right now. We're getting somewhere. I like the bounce. I like where it is going. Let me just add some extra notes right here. I don't know if it will sound good, but just, you know, flowing. Wow, we can even add maybe this. We can use like a counter melody, sort of like a bell-ish sound, you know. Let's go for plug and then generate a sound. Like the thing with this plugin is there's like endless of sounds you can discover, you know. It's like every time it's giving you something on the spot, you know, like a special unique sound. What I also like, one more point, is if you right click and then generate variation, it will create a variation of that sound. So now it sounds different, you know. You can even do that again. This feature is something I really like. Wow, this is insane. It's been a minute since I like made something fire, and I don't know if it's because of the sim, but like I've been just using the same plugins over and over, so this is really fire to have something fresh. So right now we pitched it down. I really can't decide. Let me know down below what you think. I feel like this is more of like a Drake-ish type of vibe. I really like the vibe, the energy, but I hope you enjoyed it as well. I hope you learned from this. Make sure to check out UniSynth down below. It's super fire in my opinion. It's something you should really have. I wouldn't be like showing you guys this if it wasn't fire, you know, but we made this hella fast. I think it was 30 minutes, which is fire. So that means the inspiration was just flowing. Yeah, got a couple more videos coming for you guys this month, so be on the lookout for that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I am Skana. Different tag. Thank you guys so much for watching.